What's up, internet? My name is Kyle, back with another video about cameras and tech and all that good stuff. Today, we are going to talk about macro photography and how you can make any lens take super cool close-up photos. Welcome back to another episode. Sorry I've been gone a little bit. Went on another trip, didn't have cell service, anything like that. But I'm back, I'm ready to go at videos, and yeah, let's get into the video. So macro photography, just the basic definition of what it is. Macro photography is photography producing photographs of small items in a larger than life size. So think of those super close-up photos of like insects or flowers or water droplets or even jewelry. So for the A6000, there's really only one option, at least a Sony branded lens. It's a 30mm f3.5. I've heard really good things about it. I actually want it, but without shelling $250, which is what it's going for on Amazon in the US right now, there's a much cheaper alternative, or many alternatives that are cheaper. And the alternative I went with is the Meike lens extenders. So this is the little box that they come in. Comes with two extenders. One's a 10mm extender and one's a 16. And then you can stack them for effectively extending your lens, whichever one it is, 26mm. Okay, so this is basically what it looks like on the kit lens. As you can see, Meike right there. Both of the extenders on there, as you can see. Let me turn it around the other way. There you go, that's probably better. So I have the 16 on there first, followed by the 10, and then my lens. Now, you can put the Sony 35mm on the end of it. You can put any lens on the end of that as long as it's an E-mount, so they match up. But I'll show you some pictures in a moment what actually this does. But basically, it's extending the length of your lens, and it's allowing you to close the distance between your lens, the very end of it, and what you're photographing. And it gets pretty crazy close. So I'm not sure off the top of my head what the minimal focal distance is for the kit lens. I'll put it on the screen somewhere. But basically, these extenders are allowing you to shorten that distance. Oh, I haven't mentioned, I actually bought these a while ago, and I think I got them for $27 on Amazon. Not sure what they're going for now. I will put a link to that, the macro lens, all of the stuff I'm talking about in the description for you guys to check out. Okay, before I talk about the things that I really like about these extenders, I'm gonna show you guys some photos with the kit lens and the Sony 35mm lens, and just show you the stock, you know, without the extenders, with one of them on, with the second one on, and the stats behind the settings and all that stuff. So check out what these things are capable of. Oh, and if you're wondering what these things are that I'm taking pictures of, these are some pins that I got on our Canada trip. Super awesome. Thinking about doing like a cork board with pins and stuff. I have a bunch, so I need to do something with them. Anyway, here are the photos. So I don't know about you guys, but what I just saw is just mind-blowing. These things are super cool. They're really cheap, and yeah, anyway, number one about these things that I really like is, yes, they are super cheap. You get both extenders in that little box, and you're off and you're ready to go to take pictures of super tiny things or really detailed shots of big things, whatever you can really imagine, and it's all for such a small price tag, and you don't have to commit to buying, you know, a $200+ lens. The second thing I really like about these extenders is you can slap it on. Literally slap it. No, don't slap your camera, or maybe, I don't know. You can put it on your camera and then put any lens on the end of it. Do a little experimenting. Some work better than others. So kit lens 35, 18 to 105, whatever lens you throw at it, you can put on there. And I find that really valuable. So the third thing that I like about these extenders is that they are very effective. I don't know what I was expecting for such like a cheap price and everything like that, but I wasn't expecting to be wowed. And as soon as I put them on, I was like, holy shit. They make pictures awesome, and they make photography that much more fun. I feel like I have so many different things that I want to like get in on and take a picture of. I didn't take a picture of a coin. I've seen that in the Amazon reviews, but I didn't do that. I need to do that. So yeah, they work, and they work well. So that's awesome. And lastly would be the build quality. I mean, again, they're cheap. Put it on any lens, but they actually don't feel like they're gonna break. They're plastic, so I guess they could. I mean, I feel like it's an actual extension of the Sony kind of family, but it's made by a different brand, which is very nice. Okay, so I feel like I've rambled on too long. Yeah, macro photography, lens extenders, I'm a fan. Like I said earlier, everything's down there below. Check it out. It really helps me out when you guys go through my links for Amazon stuff. Speaking of Amazon and links and all that stuff, I just did an interview with Genius Link, which is a company that hosts links for Amazon affiliates and all that stuff, and it takes you to the right Amazon of where you're from, whatever country you're from. They also do a lot more than that, but yeah, I sat down with them. They interviewed me about YouTube and marketing and affiliate codes and all that type of stuff. So if that's something you're interested in, link is down below to that. I think it was an awesome opportunity, and Genius Link is an awesome company. And no, before you say anything, Genius Link does not pay me for mentioning this. I honestly really like their service. They've helped me grow monetizing my content and all that stuff. And yeah, I really like their website. Okay, that is it, guys. Thanks so much for your guys' patience and support. We've still been growing, even though I haven't been putting out videos as often, but that will change very soon, hopefully starting now with this video. So yeah, with all that said, I will see you guys in the next episode. Later.